Those are amazing metrics. This directly reduced support tickets. This directly saved the company both time and money. And that leads to our third step, which is tying the UX to business metrics. And this is a key part. UX doesn't just affect user experience, it affects the bottom line. You have to believe that, but you need to make that connection visible to your stakeholders. For example, if a UX change reduces friction in the checkout flow, that's just a better experience. It's higher conversion rates and more revenue. One B2B SaaS company reduced onboarding friction, which resulted in 20% fewer support tickets. That again directly translated to cost savings and a stronger business case for future UX investments. If you want leadership to see UX as a strategic driver, you need to track its impact on the metrics they care most about: customer retention, revenue, profitability. Okay, so to recap, start by defining success in user terms. 2, measure what really matters. And 3, make sure UX is directly tied to business impact. Now, think about your own product. What's one effort you've worked on recently? And ask yourself, how are you measuring its success? If you're still tracking deliverables or features launched instead of outcomes, now's the time to change that. If this resonates with you, let's talk. Drop a comment below or message me directly. I'd love to hear how you're approaching UX measurement in your organization. And thank you, as always, for watching.